Alright, exporting a video or a clip from After Effects is actually quite easy. You want to make sure you don't have anything selected in the timeline, and we're going to go to Composition, Add to Render Queue, which is where all exporting happens. You can also hit Control M on your keyboard. It sends the video into the composition into the queue. There's two ways you can check settings. First, best settings should always be shown. If not, you can click on it and make sure that it's full resolution with the best settings. Where it says lossless, this is the type of file. Right now it's a lossless file. If I click on the word lossless, you'll see it's an AVI. An AVI file tends to make or take too much space. You'll have gigabytes in space taken instead of megabytes. So I don't leave it as AVI. I change it to H.264. Now, to have sound still come out of your composition, you do have to add audio. A way to go a little faster than that is hitting the drop down and just choosing H.264. But there are more settings to see if you go in. But this is fine. And H.264 is actually an MP4 file. So we have got that set. Where it says output to, I'm going to take Tino file and I'm going to export this movie and just call it Explosion Your Name. Use your name, of course. And now you'll have this file available as a uploadable file or viewable file. When you hit render, it'll make the file fairly quickly. Okay, now that it's exported, you can save your work and go ahead and find your video and play it, and it should be good. Alright, so that's ready for upload to your website, unless you want to try to make your explosion section of the video go in slow-mo. Then I would recommend to try Premiere and some speed changes with the Razor tool to accomplish that. Alright, we'll get more lessons in soon.